Hello to everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your manual transmission oil. The car I'm going to be working on today is a Suzuki SX4 S-Cross. It has a 5-speed manual gearbox. First off, we need to locate the gearbox. So if I come a bit closer, you can see the gearbox right here. Once we located the gearbox, we need to locate drain and fill plugs. Drain plug is usually on the bottom and the filler plug is usually on the side. It's difficult to record, but you can see the rusty filler plug right here. And the drain plug is on the bottom right here. Before I remove the drain plug, I'm gonna loosen the filler plug just to make sure I can refill it with new oil later. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the filler plug. Once I loosen the filler plug, I'm gonna remove the drain plug. Of course, I made a mess and spilled oil everywhere. But anyways, now I'm gonna wait for a couple more minutes for the oil to drain out. This here is the color of my old oil. It looks really nasty and I'm glad I'm changing it. Also, I jacked up my car a bit because I didn't have enough space to remove the drain plug. Make sure your car is not jacked up like this. It should be level so the old fluid can flow out. I'm gonna clean the mess I made with brake cleaner. Before I put my drain plug back, I'm gonna put some high temperature silicone sealant on it just to prevent any leaks. I'm gonna put a thin layer. Now just wipe off any excess. Now we can put back the drain plug. Once I put back the drain plug, I'm gonna fill the oil with this oil injector. You can see the oil starting to drip, which means the transmission is filled with oil. I put back the filler plug and tighten it down to 21 Newton meters. I'm just gonna tighten it by hand because I don't have enough space to put a torque wrench in here. And I just need to clean the excess oil with brake cleaner. And that's it. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.